What's up, friends? It's Fearchance. Welcome and back to the channel for another video. I really appreciate all the birthday wishes. As you can know that today I turned 21. I felt like I looked like a kid, but I really grew up a lot this year, to be honest. Like, I swallowed a lot. But yeah, as you can see from the title, I really got me gifts for my birthday and also probably for the holidays. And yeah, before we jump on it, let me give y'all an update about my teeth. I don't know really if you guys really noticed how my teeth were looking out before, but they really improved a lot. I'm really happy with the treatment right now. Honestly, sometimes it was a pain because when you're going, like when you're how you said, it's like when you're changing your aligners or Invisaligns, like the next day, the next time, like you do it every time, you feel like there's pressure on the long way when you're doing it. And that's why, because your teeth are really shifting one point of the Invisaligns that you're changing that are next. So I'm on aligners 5 right now, and I think this is where the pressure is going on, because I feel a little pressure right now when I'm talking. And sometimes when I talk a lot, my tongue gets like how you said is, I don't know, like scratched like by the Invisaligns, and that gives like a rip on my tongue, I guess, on the side of my tongue. So that's really pain. Sometimes I really be bleeding, so I gotta be like controlling how I'm speaking, such as my flow and everything. Yeah, so I really appreciate how it's going on right now. But yeah, I'm on aligners 5, so I have 18 aligners. That's my treatment, and 18 aligners are for perhaps approximately 6 months. So now I'm on aligners 5. There's still 13 to go, so a good 5 months and a couple of days. So I'm really happy that I'll be over it soon. Honestly, I just wish for the best. Smile Direct Club, if you really want to go to it, this is the perfect way, I guess, to me right now, because honestly I'm really happy that they even fit and I can see literally results. So anyway, but do you guys want to see what's in this, or see what's in this package right here? I literally received it today in the morning. Right now it's like 2 o'clock, and you see how really like it's getting you know, like already like foggy outside. It's crazy. It's winter, you know what I mean? But yeah, I think we should start with what's inside here. I bought me some few clothes, you know, not much but really expensive, just so that I can treat myself, and I know it's just once in a year. So I'm really happy. Turned 21, you know. But yeah, here we go. This is a hoodie. I already took on my Snapchat this hoodie. I was trying it on. I don't know if you guys really noticed, but yeah, so it look like a good design hoodie right here. Really, I like really the top that you can really, you know, tighten it from the hoodie. I don't know if you guys really want me to wear it, but I don't want my if it does, I'll be really mad. But yeah, whew. Okay, yeah, I really cut my hair, if you really didn't notice. I did for a reason, because there's something went wrong with my hair, and if I wouldn't cut it, there will be a problem today. But yeah, this hoodie is really nice, honestly. As you guys can see, it really fits well with the design on the top, and look at the pockets here as well. So that's really nice. Honestly, I took a large so I can, you know, last longer, but I feel like it's literally my size. Sometimes clothes are really weird nowadays. I'm wearing medium, and this large fits as a medium, so I'm really happy. It's not really small or big. Look how the hoodie is, and you can tighten it from here like that. But yeah, so this is a nice hoodie. It cost me a good $50, you know. Oh my god, bruh. Okay, so my beanie came out. You guys love this beanie? Appreciate it. My girlfriend got it for me, you know. But yeah, this is the hoodie I got. Not expensive, but yeah, you know already. And I got the shirt right here. This is a nice shirt. At first, you guys will think it's an off-white shirt, but it's not. But, you know, off, return, whatever. It's a good quality clothes, to be honest. Like, you can feel the quality, literally. Look at the back. You can literally feel the quality. You know, you want me to try it? Okay, I'm gonna try it. How's you guys looking like right now? How you guys feeling look like? Good quality. Look how it is, man. Come on now. If it's really not what it is, I'm just gonna return it. But honestly, let me know, because I'm really happy with what I'm seeing right now. It's really nice, you know. Off-white. Please don't roast me if it's not off-white, but it really cost me literally a fortune. But yeah, last thing that I got here is a freaking joggers. This is a design joggers, actually. Not a design, but I don't know why I'm saying design all the time, but this is a really good quality joggers. I never bought a jogger like this before. Sometimes I just go like on H&M and I grab me like a jogger, but this was from Fearchance. This is really like a nice, you know, nice joggers right here. Really cost me like 65, but you know, as you can see from the bottom here, really some great quality, you know what I mean? But yeah, you guys want to see the blast box right here? I literally didn't open it yet, so hopefully what I ordered is the right size, because otherwise I'll be pissed, and it wouldn't be a good ending for the video, you know what I mean? But yeah, let me open this. Oh, I have like a small note right here. Oh, the thing dropped. Okay, so let's read the small note, by the way. Look at that. Fearchance on the top, right? Hey, happy 21st birthday, kid. Let me read it like this, because I really don't understand. Hey, happy 21st birthday, kid. We wish you all the best and joyous fête to you. Take care, Simons. That was really nice. Oof. Oof. Look at all the wraps, man. Come on now. Come on now. Look at the wraps. Let's see. Oh, look at the coat, man. Come on now. It's a coat basically that I got me. You know, it's good for winter and also like for, you know, this cold weather, I guess, like when it's like max like 2 degrees or something, but it's really hot. Apparently what I heard about the condition is that it goes all the way to negative 40, so that's a lot. But yeah, guys, you can see that looks like a Montclair. It really cost me a lot. The brand is, if you want to see the brand, I don't mind showing you the brand. Where's the logo? That's the brand, y'all. Ookpik, if you know the brand right here. I see from the tags right here. It says here negative 40. Come on, camera. 40 right here. That's the lowest temperature. I'm really happy, to be honest, with this coat right here. Fully happy with this coat right here. You can see the inside. Whew. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. It fits. That's what I'm talking about. Come on now. That's what I was talking about. This shit fits, man. It looks really nice. Really shiny on the camera too. That's crazy. It really looks dark in person, but on the camera it's really shiny right now. And I think this is also for Christmas as well, as a gift, honestly, that I would get for myself, because I'm not spending normal money. And I'm really happy what I got, honestly. That's all I could say. I want to update you something about, this is the last time I'll be filming with this camera right here, and that's the G7X Mark II. I know I could be going to Mark III or something, but I heard that even Mark III, this brand right here, Canon, this model, it's not the right one, I guess, for now, because even the Mark III just came out this year and there's problem with it, and I don't even have it yet. People that are saying there's a problem with it, there's no focusing. As you guys can see on my prank video that I did like literally like a week ago to my girlfriend Kayla, you guys can see that one point it was blurry. So this camera right here is G7X Mark II, and it really gives me a hard time sometimes, like such as blurs and stuff. So that's really annoying. I'm really not enjoying it. So what I was deciding is that I'm gonna return this camera back and I'm gonna get me another camera that is probably way expensive, probably $400 more, but it's worth it, and I'm gonna take guarantee with that as well, and that will be 4K, way even more, and the focusing is just magnificent. I'm telling you, it's like, I don't want to tell you which camera is that, but I'm gonna show you guys once I receive it here in 2.5 weeks. So this is the last time I'm recording on this camera. I know it's really nice, but only when there's a light. But the other one, it can even take some dark recording moments. Like it's incredible. You know, I can be using my phone, but it's not even compared to my phone. It's way above my phone, you know. So I'm really happy that I really enjoyed this camera. I had it for almost like a year. It really gave me a good experience, but as well, I'm gonna give it a downside, and I really didn't appreciate like how it was and everything, you know, such as me filming and not looking at my camera and just realizing everything was blurry, not even recording. The mic was, I don't know. Listen, all I'm just saying is that I'm gonna be having a new camera, so this is the last time I'm filming this camera. I really appreciate your camera G7X, but you gotta go, and yeah, let's go for the better one, and hopefully everything's gonna be all right. Till then, probably I will be uploading on my iPhone, or I don't know. You guys tell me if y'all want to see like me uploading quick, you know, or wait till 2 weeks. Otherwise, I always take like a week to upload, just because I'm not lazy. I'm just looking for content to film. I can't just be filming anything, you know. But anyway, if you love today's video, please drop a like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. And I'll be back with another one. I'm out.